Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to get the old joystick in mobile. So basically, you know that Roblox updated the joystick into this dynamic joystick. Yeah, so if you don't want it, then I'll show you how to get the old one. Basically, click the Roblox icon, go to settings, go to you can see movement mode at the second column, then go right, and then you'll get classic thumbstick. Now as you see in the left corner, it's actually changed. Like I changed the dynamic thumbstick into the old classic thumbstick. So yeah, that's how you need to change the thumbstick in your mobile. So subscribe and comment down the video, and also click the notification bell icon to get more videos from my channel, and share the video. Bye guys.